Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. For today's episode, we will make the trending Dalgona Coffee and Dalgona Milo. Let's do it! For the Dalgona Coffee, we will need fresh milk, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, I'm using decaf, 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. In a bowl, add the coffee, sugar, and the water, and using an electric mixer, mix them together until you achieve a thick consistency. So occasionally scrape the sides of the bowl. And continue mixing. I think this is already okay. Fill the glass with milk. I'm using here with ice cubes because I like to have cold milk, but you can also use hot milk if you want. If you have a piping bag and a star tip, you can use this to pipe the whipped coffee over the top of the milk. But if you don't have, you can just directly pour it over it. Gently pipe the whipped coffee over the milk. If you have chocolate chips, you can put some of it over the top, but this is optional. For the Dalgona Milo, we will need fresh milk, 120 ml of double cream or all-purpose cream, 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of Milo, and 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. In a bowl, add the sugar, Milo, and the water, and mix them together until they're well combined. Occasionally scrape the sides and continue mixing. Add the cream and beat them together until you have a thick consistency. I think this is already ready. In a glass, put some ice cubes and fill it with fresh milk. Then, gently pour the Milo over the top. Smoothen it evenly. And sprinkle some Milo powder. And here's our finished product! The Dalgona Coffee and the Dalgona Milo. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified for the next amazing recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!